Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Pisces gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Pisces, as always, let's start with our angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll take it on from there. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. Okay, got your card. Let's put the rest back, Pisces. And the card I have here for you is play music. So music could be really good for you right now, Pisces. Maybe you just need to take a chill pill and hear some relaxing music. Maybe music is very important between you and your partner. Maybe there are messages that telepathically you guys are sending to each other. I don't know why this card is here, so let's put this card here. It's a beautiful card though. So try and listen to music, and sometimes, the way I do it is if I have a question in my heart, I put my intention out there and I play random music. And mostly in the first 3 or 4 songs, the lyrics say something which answers my question. So try it. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your wonderful support to the channel. I'm really blessed. Thank you for all your lovely comments, your likes, your care. Very grateful. Thank you so much. And of course, if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small little spread, 9 card to get a message for you out today. Your longer readings are already out. I'll leave a few links at the end of the video in case you want to catch those, and more are coming. Your next in-depth read will be on Wednesday. Okay, and if any of you are looking for a private read, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. Bottom of my spread, I have the 2 of Cups. What a beautiful card to get for a love bite. Now this is like a soulmate connection, and it's in the upright. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, 8 of Wands, the World, Ace of Wands, the Devil, 4 of Cups, Judgment, 5 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. All right, so this beautiful soulmate connection seems to be in a little bit of trouble right now, Pisces, because one or both of you are holding back from it. There's a little lack of communication here. One person, I think, wanted this, but the other one didn't, or I don't know what. Somebody has shut this chapter down right now because they felt their partner only came in for passion, and this became a bit toxic and they want to release this. Let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards first, and I do see some communication maybe coming in after some delay. Let's take some dialogue message cards first and see what's going on. Then we'll clarify these cards. My angels, Pisces and their person, if they had to say something to each other now, what would that be? Thank you. And let's take a few from here. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Thank you. And we'll take a few messages from the heart as well. Since this is a soulmate connection, let's see what the heart wants to say here. Oops. Okay. All right, good to go, Pisces. Let's begin with our first message. It says, "It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior irritates me at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work." Yes, one person I think was only interested in the passionate side of the relationship, and the other person found this really toxic, is holding back now. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You are underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I will always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. So, like I said, maybe through music, their higher self is talking to you, right? In the 5D world, you guys are still connecting because this is a spiritual connection. And in the 3D world, they behave and act in a totally opposite way. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, and heart, life and soul, being faithful and reliable partner always. Not just with the body, but in all aspects of your life. Next card says, you feed my heart and soul with your love. You're my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. Even though the passion is there, they enjoy their friendship with their person, but they're still not growing up to that level what their partner wants them to. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in the future. I believe that you're my destiny. See, this is what the problem is. They don't want to commit right now. They don't want to have a relationship right now. They say, maybe in the future, right now, be my friend, be my lover. I love you like that. And that's been the problem in this connection, it seems. Your love makes me untouchable and invincible. You make me happier, stronger, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. Yes, but this is like one person is giving and the other person is feeling strong and invincible. It's almost like a parent and child relationship where the child keeps taking and the parent keeps giving, and that's becoming a little toxic and unfair. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Again, same reference. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. This situation is messy. Yes, it is. This is a messy situation, Pisces. I do see a beautiful soulmate connection, but I do see somebody treating it in a very rash and immature manner. Okay, let's clarify these cards. 8 of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Why is there no communication here? 8 of Wands in reverse. Yes, the communication has come to a halt now, Pisces, because the feminine energy, I think, now has their sword up. They're saying, hey, either you come back properly, let's have a reunion. Okay, come back to celebrate life with me once and for all, or you might as well not come at all. Either you come correct or don't come. Don't just come for the sake of coming, just for the sake of passion, because I need answers here. What are you coming back for? If you're just coming back to have fun, then I'm putting a stoppage to this you're coming back or me coming back to you, and I don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm not going to talk to you anymore. The world, Spirit, the world, the world. Yes, this relationship is kind of, somebody wants to, this is, I think, the Queen of Swords who's saying that, I need a stable relationship. I need a very solid, stable relationship which can slowly grow from 1 pentacle to the 10. Okay, I do want this. I want to start anew with you, but only if you can promise me that it's going to grow from, 1 to 10. And 10 of Pentacles is the ultimate of, commitment, happiness, future. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. The other partner, I think, the other partner here is has made some kind of a decision that they only want passion at the moment. They may be with third parties as well, and that's the reason this soulmate connection, which was showing up here as well, is in jeopardy. Somebody is more interested in the sex and passion and maybe working with others and not being able to make a decision right now, and maybe not understanding the soulmate connection right now. Devil in reverse. Devil in reverse. Yes, somebody is releasing this connection now. I think the feminine is kind of giving up and saying, hey, till you don't kind of level up and become that king of pentacles for me, who can actually come and be that perfect partner who's going to be responsible and offer me something which is tangible. I'm not emotionally happy in this connection. I might as well give it up. Somebody is holding back now. Somebody is holding back of their affection. They're holding back of their love. Four of Pentacles, Spirit. Four of Pentacles. Yes, there's no talking happening right now, Pisces. They don't want to continue a relationship where they're going to stay in regret. They feel this is a very unfair relationship. It's never going to go anywhere. I don't want to be in a connection which is always going to be making me, feel in regret for wasting time, energy. I might as well get out of it now. And that's the reason this feminine, I think, is now keeping herself to herself, not talking, saying, hey, if you're not going to offer me a brand new beginning, this is what I'm looking for, stability. If you're not going to give me that, I'm going to hold back till then. Judgment. What's this Judgment? I think they've called judgment on this connection and this masculine now, saying, hey, I want a rebirth with you. I definitely want a rebirth with you. I want you to come back and start over. But till you don't give me this status of feeling secure in the relationship, I'm going to hold myself back. See, this is what they want, right? They want this equal match. They want a Queen of Pentacles to the King of Pentacles. And if you're not going to offer me this, yes, I do want it. I do want you to return. I do want a rebirth of this connection. Only if you come correct. Till then, I'm going to hold back from you. So, Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Yes, that's the reason, I guess, there's a conflict here. Somebody is still sitting in their ego and pride. They're watching this tower fall and still not making a move. What's the Six of Wands, Spirit? Six of Wands. As much as this masculine, I think, is missing their best friend, their partner, they're really missing them. But they are yearning also, I think, to come out of this stress and tension, this conflict which has been created between the two of you. They know that it's their fault that this tower has fallen. They know that they have not kind of leveled up, but this person has a bit of ego and pride. They are still kind of not making a move. They're still stuck. They're still not making any movement, and that's the reason of all this delay that's going on. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Nine of Pentacles. Maybe some words have been spoken, some secrets have been revealed, something has been said here. Because of that, this relationship has taken a different turn altogether now. But somebody here does want to speak their truth. They are clear about this feminine. They know who their perfect person is. They want to come in with some clarity and some communication. Let me see. What's this King of Swords, Spirit, and what's this Ace of Swords? Oh, they've been hiding their feelings till now. They do love the feminine a lot. It's just that they didn't want the responsibility. Now this person may very, very soon come in with some kind of communication. They are clear. They know the truth. They can pretend all they like, but the truth of the matter is this masculine actually has a lot of love for the feminine. It's just that they didn't want to be burdened maybe with responsibility of a commitment or something, and that's the reason they were trying to play it cool. So they could play around a little more. One more, Spirit, for this King of Swords. They're also a bit afraid that if they come towards the feminine now in the way they used to without commitment, if they come without commitment now, if they come towards the feminine now with a romantic offer and saying, hey, let's be friends, let's be lovers, it's going to backfire on them big time. Right? That's the only reason they're stuck right now. What they really want is to have victory with their feminine once again. They're missing them big time. They don't like the stuck feeling. They don't like the delay. They are feeling the love but afraid of speaking their truth for the reason that, and they can't pretend either. So that's the reason they're stuck. If they speak the truth, then they'll be burdened with the responsibility of giving a commitment. And if they come without a commitment, they fear that they'll get rejected. So that's the dilemma right now. So there's a lot of stress and worry and sleepless nights going on here, Pisces. That's all I have for you. We'll dig deeper into their feelings on Pisces Wednesday. All right? So till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.